Using Dehancer, you can give a filmy look for your videos. It has a ton of features to make your videos look like film. Once it's installed, it comes under Video Effects, Film Emulsion, Dehancer. I can apply the plugin onto the clip, or apply it on multiple clips, or I can apply it on an adjustment layer. In this video, let's go through the most important features of the plugin: input, film, film grain, film damage, and overscan. The most important setting is the input. We can choose a color format of the video. It can be Rec 2020, Rec 709, or any of this. But in my case, I shot this video on a Panasonic GH5. I select Choose Camera and select GH5 from the list. And boom, it looks like shot on a film. I can decrease or increase the exposure. I can make it cooler or warmer, add greens or purple. For a smooth rollout of sharp edges, which is seen in film, I can adjust the defringe. Next most important setting is the film. I can make my video look like any of this film. I can also push or pull the exposure to give it more contrast or less contrast. The next most important feature is the film grain. We can select the grain texture from any of these films. I can also choose custom and set the parameters of the grain. I can also select the film type, which is positive or negative, and also digital or analog. The next important feature is the film damage. As a film becomes older, it develops scratches and other visible artifacts. These artifacts can be added using a film damage section. Enable film damage and select the kind of damage. I can also choose custom if I want to customize hairlines and dust. The next most important feature is the overscan. I can choose the kind of perforation I need. I can also select the kind of gate I need. The gate can be either positive or negative. I can also choose a vertical or a horizontal alignment. I can also adjust the exposure and even flip the gate. The gate size and the zoom can be adjusted, and also pan or tilt the clip inside the gate. Or I can blur the edge of the gate. I can also add a breather like a real film camera gate. These are the main features of the Dehancer plugin. In the next video, we will see the more advanced features of the Dehancer plugin.